Hi, my name is Sunny Park, and this is my quiz 7 for Computer Science 110. And for this quiz, we are made to find all the prime numbers within the range of 2000 and 2500, and list them out into different lists. We have two lists, and one of the lists only have prime numbers that have a digital sum of 10 or a digital sum of 14, which is empty list 1. And a digital sum, or a second list with only prime numbers that have digital sums over 15, which is empty list 2. And if I run the code, you can see here that all these numbers on the first one have digital sums that only equal to 10 or 14. And the second list only has prime numbers that have digital sums that are greater than 15. And we can play around with the ranges to make sure we have everything correct. So 1 to 100, maybe. We see here 19, 37, 59, 73, 79, 89, 97. And these are all numbers that have, or all these numbers meet the conditions that are given for the list. And yeah, thank you.